Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sweet Dreams on synth. Start by selecting a saw or square wave on your synthesizer. This provides the foundational timbre for the iconic melody. Next, dial in your envelope settings: a quick attack, a medium decay, high sustain, and a short release. This combination creates the punchy, sustained sound needed. Finally, apply a low-pass filter with a moderate cutoff to shape the tone, giving it that recognizable, slightly muffled yet powerful character. The heart of Sweet Dreams is its unforgettable bass line. It's a simple, four-note descending pattern: C, G, a sharp, and G. Play these notes with a strong, percussive touch to give them impact. This sequence repeats consistently, forming the backbone of the song's verses. Focus on precise timing and a consistent rhythm to capture the original's driving energy. Beyond the bass line, the harmonic structure is crucial. The primary chord progression is C minor, G major, a sharp major, and G major. These chords underpin the entire track, providing a rich backdrop for the melody. You can play them as sustained pads, arpeggiated figures, or block chords. Exploring different voicings will help you find the perfect texture to complement the iconic synth sounds. To truly capture the Sweet Dreams vibe, effects are essential. Start with a subtle chorus to give the synth a wider, more expansive feel. Next, add a short delay to create a sense of atmosphere without cluttering the mix. Reverb is also key for adding depth and placing the synth in a larger sonic space. Finally, experiment with filter sweeps, dynamically opening and closing the cutoff frequency during transitions for added excitement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.